Hey learners, welcome back to Edu Intern Voyage. Your learning journey starts. If you are a BCom student who wants simple, clear, and reliable study content, subscribe to Edu Intern Voyage, like the videos, and start your learning journey today.
White heavy checkmark welcome address, standard format. A welcome address usually has four main parts. Green circle 1. Introduction. Backhand index pointing right, greet the audience and introduce yourself. Format. Greeting, good morning/afternoon/evening. Respectful greetings to chief guest, teachers, students, audience. Self-introduction, optional. Green circle 2. State the purpose of the program. Backhand index pointing right, explain why the program is conducted. Format. Mention event name. Explain aim or importance of the program. Green circle 3. Establish connection. Backhand index pointing right, connect the audience with the theme or importance of the event. Format. Say how the event benefits students or society. Show excitement and importance. Green circle 4. Welcome all. Backhand index pointing right, formally welcome all guests and participants. Format. Welcome chief guest. Welcome teachers and students. Thank everyone for attending. Cherry blossom sample welcome address, full format. Respected chief guest, honorable principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning to one and all present here. I am your name, and I am very happy to welcome you all to this program. Today, we have gathered here for mention event name, seminar, cultural program, workshop, etc. The purpose of this program is to share knowledge, encourage learning, and inspire students. This event is very important for us because it helps us gain new ideas and improve our skills. Programs like this connect students with experts and motivate us to achieve our goals. On behalf of our college, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, who has taken time to be with us today. I also welcome our respected principal, faculty members, and all my dear friends. Once again, I welcome you all and hope you enjoy the program. Thank you. Sparkle's short welcome address, exam style. Good morning respected guests, teachers, and my dear friends. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to today's program. The purpose of this event is to share knowledge and encourage students. I warmly welcome our chief guest, respected teachers, and all participants. Thank you for being here. Memo: important exam points. Greeting. Introduction. Purpose of program. Connection to audience. Welcome all guests. White heavy checkmark, very short format, 2 marks. Welcome address includes greeting the audience, introducing the event, stating the purpose, welcoming guests and